If you build software today, you probably watch your budget drain away on premium AI API keys. This shattering paywall represents exactly what we are going to do to those recurring costs. By the end of this video, you will be routing over 250 different AI models through a single free open-source gateway installed directly on your own machine. You only need a computer, an internet connection, and about 5 minutes. No credit card is required. This setup routes your daily coding prompts to documented free tiers provided directly by the AI labs. By leveraging these existing developer tiers through a single local endpoint, you can access frontier models without a monthly platform fee. Step 1 is getting the engine that powers the gateway. Head over to Node.js.org and grab the installer for your operating system. Pay close attention to the version number. You must install a long-term support version, specifically version 22 or version 24. If you install version 21 or 23, the underlying database library that OmniRoute relies on will break the moment you try to launch it, so please stick to the even-numbered LTS releases. Once installed, open the standard command prompt. Do not use PowerShell. PowerShell parses characters differently, creating syntax errors that trap beginners. This mockup shows what your terminal should look like when you type node --v and hit enter. It should return a version number starting with 22 or 24. With the engine verified, type npm install-g OmniRoute to install the gateway globally. When the installation finishes, simply type OmniRoute and hit enter to start the server. That single terminal window is now the local host for your AI traffic. As long as it remains open, OmniRoute is active, monitoring your outgoing requests and directing them to the configured providers. Keep the terminal running and switch over to your web browser. Type localhost:20128 into the address bar to access your new OmniRoute dashboard. Navigate to the Providers tab. Here, you connect free models like OpenCode Free or Kiro AI. Select them to activate instantly. Instead of manually choosing a specific model every time you code, OmniRoute uses a concept called auto-combo routing. You tell the system to use auto, and it dynamically manages the traffic for you. This animated diagram shows exactly how that looks in practice. If your primary free provider hits a rate limit or fails, the gateway intercepts the error and instantly slides the request to the next available provider on your list. You do not even notice the failure. By linking multiple small, fragmented free tiers together, you pool them into one continuous high-availability quota. Step 3 is connecting your daily coding assistant to the gateway. Open your IDE, like VS Code, and locate the configuration JSON file for your assistant. Add a new provider block named OmniRoute to this file. This maps your AI provider directly to the local port we just opened and designates the default model as auto. This editor mockup highlights exactly where to insert the new code. Place it right here, in the Provider section. Do not delete or overwrite any existing keys, like your MCP or plugin settings. The most critical line is the base URL. By pointing this to your localhost port, you hijack the outgoing API requests before they ever leave your machine. Your coding assistant operates exactly as it did before, requesting completions as if communicating with a premium paid API. But now, all of that traffic is intercepted and fulfilled by your free local gateway. Restart your IDE to load the new JSON file. Select OmniRoute from your provider list, set the model to auto, and you are ready. Type in a test prompt. Ask it to generate a Python web scraper, for example. The response streams instantly, utilizing the free providers you connected on the dashboard. OmniRoute utilizes context compression engines, known as RTK and Caveman, to automatically condense the size of your prompts. As data flows through, these engines strip out redundant tokens and formatting. The technical accuracy remains exact, but the payload shrinks. Because AI providers measure usage in tokens, this automatic compression stretches your free limits up to 90% further than standard usage. If you just saved yourself a monthly subscription fee, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more development workflows. You now have a local AI coding backend that pools free capacity from across the web. It runs entirely on your hardware, significantly reducing cost barriers and maximizing your total available context.